It's 1:30 in the morning. I'm still welding on the Alaskan Gypsy. Come in here, I'll show you. Welcome to my toxic tent. I've been welding on this keel area back here. There's my little Miller Max Star welder. Grinders, and trash, and air hoses, and smoke. Another little wire feed welder. Got all kinds of stuff going on over here. Check this out. There's even a hole in the boat all the way through the bow. What is going on here?